Okay. For this, you just put the strings in, push them in, push them all the way about to the middle so there's something to grab when it breaks, because to get them out you probably need some needle nose pliers, and you just pull them through like that and put a new one in. So push them in like that. Now this one can be a pain to start. I don't know why, but this actually is, once it starts, it's the best one, but you can pump it up on the side. There's the choke. It usually won't start with the choke on, but if you still need to choke it for a while. See, now it's starting to kick over, but it won't start. But now if I unchoke it, sometimes I hold the throttle down a little, rechoke it, unchoke it. I'm gonna hold the throttle down while I throttle right here with my pinky. Rechoke it.